Want to start your first business without a lot of money? Today we're going to show you the 4 best options you can find on the internet. They are not complex and do not require high investment. Stay until the end of the video and remember that Elon Musk was once just like you.
Think bigger.
To start one of these home-based businesses, you don't need a lot of funding, just energy, passion, and the drive to succeed. Today, tens of thousands of people are considering starting their own businesses, and for good reasons. On average, people can expect to have 2 or 3 careers during their work life. Those leaving one career often think about their second or third career move being the one they can run out of their own home. The good news: starting a home-based business is within the reach of almost anyone who wants to take a risk and work hard, as are a plethora of other low-cost ideas. Business Plan Service. Offer a soup-to-nuts business plan, including market research, the business plan narrative, and the financial statements. Plan your fee around the main one that the client will want and offer the others as add-on services. You can give clients an electronic file and allow them to take it from there, or you can keep the business plan on file and offer the service of tweaking it whenever necessary. Have business plan samples to show clients and make sure to include your own. Consultant. To be a consultant, you need to have expertise in something so you can market yourself as an advisor to others looking to work in that area.
I was in charge of the cement work stream, and the key question was, should the client close down the plant? Yes, I have a massive network of experts behind me, but there's no way they can answer that question given how little they know about the client and market context.
Perhaps you managed several large warehouses in your career with a drugstore company. You did all the marketing for many years for a large shoe manufacturer, or you set up a chain of beauty supply shops or takeout restaurants. You can use this experience to help others do similar things without making the same mistakes that you made along the way. A good calendar app will likely come in handy, as time tracking is crucial to accurate billing. Event planning. One of the first things you need to do is visit every potential event location with which you plan to work. Work with a marketing manager to tour each site and learn what is available at each location. Start a database that will allow you to sort venues by varying features, such as the number of people each site holds, AV equipment available on site, if you need to arrange for rental chairs, etc. Then, when you are beginning to plan an event with a client, you can find out what the key parameters are for the event and easily pull up the 3 or 4 sites that meet the basic criteria and engagement parties, etc. Marketing copywriter. If you can write copy that gets people excited about purchasing what your client has to sell, you can make good money in this business.
I said, what is copywriting? I don't understand. He said, copywriting, it is the ability to use the written words to persuade someone to take an action. Now that could be to respond to a message that you wrote. It could be to purchase your product. It could be to click here or buy this or take this sort of action.
Unless you are highly experienced from working in the copywriting field, take a course. There are online courses or classes at community colleges and universities that can give you a leg up in getting savvy at writing copy for brochures, catalogs, advertising, and, of course, marketing copy for the web.
Already have a business idea but don't know where to start? In our next video, we will explain how to turn an idea into a successful business step by step. Don't waste time. Put your plan into action now.